Okay guys, this is take 2. I keep on talking and it didn't recorded. Kung merong lechon kawali, merong chicken kawali. Ayan. Ito yung leftover namin kahapon from chicken, happy chicken, grilled chicken. Yan, naging chicken kawali na siya. Ang sinamahan ko ng potato. And we have here tomato, pickles, and cucumber. Yummy na naman ang lunch. Recycle din pag may time. Kesa magpunta sa Matang, very expensive. Yummy na siya, sakti na naman. Sakti na naman ang mga tummy. My potato. I fried it here.